KINGREAL T-bar sealing roll forming machine factory is divided into 3 workshops: frame workshop, parts workshop, and assembly and exhibition workshop. The frame workshop is responsible for welding and assembling the machine frame. The parts workshop produces and processes various parts of the T-bar sealing roll forming machine, and is responsible for assembling and testing the parts to ensure that each part meets the quality requirements. The assembly and exhibition workshop is responsible for the final overall assembly, testing, and debugging of the T-bar sealing roll forming machine, and also displays various models of the T-bar sealing roll forming machine to customers to observe and choose.